It's about 8:36 right now, and so what we do right now is, as you can see, or not, you can probably barely see because he's so dark in there, but we get up. He likes to stretch real quick, and we go out to potty, and then we get our breakfast. Not sure if I told you guys, but we never had to teach him how to walk up and down stairs. He always knew. That's the type of busybody he is. He always knew. Okay, show me potty outside. That's a big boy. Show me potty outside. Yes, that's potty outside. All right, let me turn the alarm off. Okay. Now sit. Sit and look. All right, so after we potty outside, we sit here in the garage and he gets a potty treat. Eric set up this little station for him in the garage. It just has some just cleaner paper towels. We have this foaming, what is this? Foaming no rinse shampoo that I like to use on him after we return from walks. He has some pet wipes back there. He also has some dental wipes. His little poo bags. He has these little Kong treats, and these right here are just baby treats, just baby food. All right, so as you can see, it's getting kind of low because he gets a treat every time he goes out to potty. And so yeah, after wait, you have to sit, Watson. Watson, sit, so you can get your treat. Okay. All right, so back in the house, I typically like to go ahead and open up the blinds and everything so that I don't feel rushed. I need to come in and do what I typically do. That's open up the blinds, get my coffee pot going. I've just decided that I'm not gonna lose myself, even though, you know, I have a puppy. Much like a lot of us women do when we have children, we kind of lose ourselves trying to be everything to them. So I said, you know what, he can wait a few minutes while I open up the blinds. So here he is waiting. He is not allowed over in this area. There's a couple of areas that he's not allowed in. And this bag here, this is Eric's bag. He returned from a trip last night and was really tired, so he just kind of just dropped it there. Watson, you ready to eat? While my coffee pot is heating up, I'll share with you his little cabinet here. And he knows this is his cabinet, all right? So in here, I store his vitamins, his heart guard, and this is where all of his treats are. These are treats that I've made. Well, let's see, these right here are just some chew sticks. Those are from PetSmart, but those are dehydrated bananas. We have some dehydrated turkey bacon. And here is some dehydrated sweet potatoes. And these 3 jars contain baby food. These are baby food cookies that I purchased out of the grocery store, and these do not have a whole lot of sugar, and I use these when I haven't had an opportunity to, you know, make my own, you know, little peanut butter cookies for him. I'm actually all out right now. I weigh his food, that's his scale, and here are some dentist sticks, and this one right here and this one right here, it's all food related, so that's why they're games that I play with him, but you put food in them, so that's why they're here. Up there are his rawhide shoes, and these are his bully sticks. He only gets these outside. I'm actually going to move those outside because they smell terrible. They don't smell terrible right out of the package, but once he starts working with those, they smell terrible. But anyway, up here I also store his bowls. So this was the original bowl that I kind of started out with him. He eats so fast, I decided to pick up another one. So I have this one from Kong. That's the Kong feeder, and I forget the name or company that this one is by, but the Kong one works a lot better. So that's the one he's going to be using this morning. Today he's having this is like beef stew with a little bit of salmon, sweet peas, carrots, sweet potatoes, There's some eggs and bananas in there, and I actually like to heat his food up. These containers store 4 meals. So right here, that's brown rice, the same thing here, but this is how it looks, you know, with the 4 meals in there. I just section that off into 4 meals. So that's how that looks, and I just store it in the freezer. But now I'm just going to pop it in the microwave. He knows to sit here and wait patiently for his food. We don't really allow any jumping or barking or whining while I am preparing his food. I'm trying to do things that, you know, as he gets older and becomes a more mature dog, that I won't have a problem with. So, Watson, are you sitting? Watson, sit and wait for your food. You sit and wait for your food, okay? That's a big boy. I prefer he not bark and jump while I'm preparing his food. I want him to have really good kitchen and food manners. And he's been pretty good about it. That's a good boy. Sit. Thank you. And right here I have my little clicker. I have it on my wrist. You know, when he starts doing this. Watson, get over here and sit. Sit. Sit like a good boy. Now quiet. 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 No, no, no. Get over here and sit, Watson. I'll wait for you. I'll wait. Good boy. Thank you. All right. So I move his mat. Then I put his bowl down. All right. Then I make him wait. Watson, wait. Wait. Look at mommy. Look. Look. Watson, look. Good boy. Okay. He's a big boy. He's a big boy. He's a big boy. And just to show you guys that he has 0 food aggression. Watson. Watson. Watson, sit. 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 That's a big boy. He lets mommy take his food. Even though he's hungry, he's a sweet boy. Now wait, Watson. Watson, wait. Okay. He's a good little puppy. And I'm just gonna give him some fresh water. So while he's eating, I'm gonna go ahead and make my coffee after I give him some fresh water. I'm just gonna put his water over here. Put his water over here out of the way because he does all kinds of twists and turns when he's eating. Someone asked also, I believe I did respond to it in the comments, but she wanted to know how the doorbells were working out for him, and they are working great. I think I mentioned too that he is about 90-something% potty trained. He knows to ring the bells to go out. So we're doing pretty good on that. So after he finishes his breakfast, he likes to come and tell me, as you can see there, that he's all finished. And then so I'll come and check his bowl. Wow, you're finished, Watson? You're all done? You're all done? That's a big boy. Sit. And he lets me know he wants his after breakfast snack. Okay. All right, let me go get your treat. Let me get your treat. Let me get your treat. So today I'm just going to give him a couple of slices of banana. So that's what he's going to have now. Okay, come on. Come on. He's a big boy. This dude is, boy, does he love food. All right, now sit. Thank you, Watson. That's a good sit. Now let me move this. Go ahead and wash that. Now, Watson, wait. Wait. Watson, wait. Okay, Watson. Come on, I'll give you one more. I'll give you one more. Since you're so good. You're so good. Here, Watson. See it. See it. Crusty face. He's a big boy. Yes, he's a big boy. Well, after he finishes up his meals, whether it be breakfast, lunch, or dinner, I go ahead and I wash up his food bowls, and I switch out his water bowl again, and I clean his placemat because, as you guys saw this morning, he had a combination of things, one of which being salmon. And, you know, you just don't want odors kind of sitting in the house and starting to, you know, smell bad. So I always go ahead and wash everything up after he finishes his meals.